Step into the enigma that is Hotel Riu Cancun, where the gap between expectation and reality could make the Grand Canyon seem like a pothole. The picturesque allure of the online gallery will vanish faster than a mirage, replaced by the gritty truth of an overhyped facade and neglected interiors. Enter your assigned room and be greeted by a musty time capsule, trapped somewhere between the late 80s and early 90s. The so-called decor has the charm of a second-hand thrift store, and that's being generous. Every piece of furniture in the room shares the common trait of a loud, disgruntled creak whenever you dare to use it. The air conditioning unit partakes in a whimsical game of now you feel me now you don't, making sure you never quite escape the tropical heat. As for the bathrooms, they could double as a set for a horror movie, grime, stains, and that mysterious trickle of water you can't quite trace. The buffet at Hotel Riu Cancun is a salute to the art of repetitive, uninspiring meals. With a gastronomic experience so mundane, your taste buds will be begging for the novelty of airplane food. It's a smorgasbord of monotony, where the only spice you'll find is in the sneeze-inducing floral arrangements. Should you choose to brave the specialty restaurants, brace yourself for an upgraded version of mediocrity. It's the same meal, just in a different dish. In terms of service, let's just say the staff at Hotel Riu Cancun are ardent followers of the slow movement. The level of customer service ranges from nonchalant indifference to studied neglect, both of which are equally frustrating. It's a masterclass in how not to treat guests, with the staff consistently outdoing themselves in disappointing performances. The hotel's amenities are an adventure in lowered expectations. Picture overcrowded pools, where your personal bubble is constantly invaded, and hygiene is a vague concept from a bygone era. Need to send a quick email? Prepare for a battle with the Wi-Fi, which seems to have a vendetta against a stable connection. Hotel Riu Cancun perches on a patch of sand masquerading as a beach, where the grains are harsh enough to exfoliate your feet involuntarily. The ocean's churn mirrors the chaos of a laundromat on a Sunday afternoon. Wildlife consists of opportunistic seagulls and mosquitoes that appear to have trained under the hotel staff in the art of being intrusive. In conclusion, if your idea of a vacation is a strenuous test of your patience, then Hotel Riu Cancun might just be the place for you. However, if you value your sanity and prefer a holiday that is more relaxing than resilience building, you might want to steer clear. This place will make you question your decision-making skills, adding a whole new layer to the concept of a memorable holiday. It truly is an unforgettable experience, just not in the way you'd hope.